Hello everyone. The major reason to make this video today is because of the major reason, depression. What is depression? Did Sushant Singh Rajput commit suicide because he was depressed? I don't think so. You know why? Because he wasn't depressed. He was oppressed. Technically, every suicide case is a murder. Just because a person just can't commit suicide just because they want to. There's always an external force, external power, which is telling a person's mind that no, you are not this, you are not that, you are worthless. And what else? Like, a person tells another person everything that helps to let a person down. Today, if I go and tell someone that you're worthless, just because I want that person to make a better version of him or her, will that help them? I don't think so. Because when you are actually telling this to them, they will of course feel that negativity around them. They will not feel positive about that. So if you really want to help someone, if you really want anyone to get better, get a new version of them, a better version of them, then please tell something good to them. Not any bad comments, not any bad words. Each and every person are dealing with some or the other problem in their life. If someone is not telling their problems to you, if someone is smiling or laughing or enjoying their lives, that doesn't mean that they are happy. They do not have any problem in their life. That can never happen. Each and everyone has some or the other problem in their life. Always, like all the time. It's a request, people. If anyone is depressed, let them talk. Let them tell whatever they want to. If they can share their problems by speaking any bad words, by exposing their anger or anything, of course each and everyone won't have the same way to express their words, express their problems. So, however, whichever process they are taking to express their feelings, let them do it. If anyone is putting their anger on you, if anyone is telling bad words, let them tell it, because you don't know what they are facing with, right? The world in which we are living today is not a positive world. It's full of negativity all around. So it's our duty to spread the positivity amongst every one of us. Today we are concerned about Sushant Singh Rajput. Why? Because he was an actor. And what about the people who commit suicide every year? Like, there are more than 1,000 people, like more than 10,000 people who commit suicide every year in India. The film industry will forget Sushant Singh Rajput very soon, because they are just concerned about the star kids. I don't understand that why do these producers and directors don't get one thing into their head, that these daughters and sons of these so-called stars were once a normal human being, was once a normal actor, a newcomer to the film industry. What would have happened if those actors would be treated in the same way how Sushant Singh Rajput was treated? Like, I really don't get one thing, that how could those actors who struggled at a time behave in that way with Sushant Singh Rajput? Like, how could they? They just didn't give a chance to Sushant. Like, so creepy people. I'm very sure of the matter that if Sushant Singh Rajput would be alive, then he would be the next star of India. So let's take an oath together today that in any situation, if anyone comes to us to ask for help, we are not going to say any kind of no to that. We are the ones who can make this world a better place. Like, when we can, then why are we not doing it? So that's it. Like, depression is everything. Depression is the topic. Depression is the reason to take many lives. Of course, it's not depression, anxiety, to deal with frustration. Like, of course, depression won't come to you and tell you, hey, hi, I'm depression. Like, that won't happen, right? So, depression comes to us when we are having any problem. So, let's share that problem amongst every one of us. We all are there to help you all. Even if I have any problem, I'm going to consult it with you guys. Please do help me out, because, if I don't share my problems with anyone, then maybe if I commit suicide, then what will my siblings learn from me? What will the people who are small, who are kids, what will the kids learn from me? What will the society learn from me? So let's stop this suicide right now. Like, it's high time. There are thousands of people dying every year from the age of 15 to 29. That's the highest range. Like, within that age time, people commit suicide the most. So let's change everything. Let's get back to a world where there's no negativity, where no one knows the meaning of negativity. Let's make it a positive world. It's very easy. Just stay positive. If anyone comes to you and tells you that, help me, I'm having some problem, do help them. If someone is shouting at you for any reason, do listen to them, because maybe they can't just share your problems or share their problems with you very calmly. Maybe that's the process how they express their problem, by shouting, yelling, by any process. So that's the technique. Each and everyone has a totally different process of expressing themselves. You have a different process, I have a different process. Each and every one of us has a totally different process to express themselves. So listen to them. You may not know that in which way they are going to express their problems with you, in which way they are going to share their problems with you. So please guys, this is a heartily request, say no to suicide. You don't know what a family goes under when a person or their family commits suicide. There are people asking you that, why did she commit suicide? Like, was there any problem? Was there something? There are thousands of questions that has been asked to your family, that will be asked to your family if you commit suicide. So please do not do that. At least think about your family members. Think about your mother. They don't want you to die. Stop using any offensive word which you use when you are angry. Do not pull casteism, racism, any one of them into anything. Like, stop this matter, guys. Like, it's enough. It's really enough. We all are human beings. We all are made up of flesh, blood, and bones. We are not different from each other. Then how can Hindu, Muslims, and these affect someone? Like, how? I don't get it. Be friends with each and every one of us. Of course, maybe things will take time to change, but if you change one by one, everything will change. You change first, then expect the world to change. Any offensive word, racism, casteism, or anything can put someone to depression. Like, that's a really very serious matter. So please guys, stop this. It's enough of it. I really don't want to live in a world where people are fighting because someone is Muslim, someone is Hindu. No guys, please do understand. I think everyone in this world is mature enough to